Most local business owners don't need any more motivation. They need to know what to fix and how to fix it. When your phone isn't ringing and Google isn't sending you customers, posting quotes isn't going to save you. I had to learn from experience. I'm T. I built 3 local businesses from scratch, starting in the barbering industry, and now this channel is evolving. Same realness, different focus. In this video, I'll tell you who I am, what I built, what direction I'm moving into, and why. But the real story isn't that I just cut hair. The real story is I had to build 3 local businesses when nobody was coming to save me. Nobody told me how to get customers, how to get found, how to make the phone ring. I had to figure out what actually brings people through that door. Google reviews, systems, pricing, follow-ups, all of it matters. And that's what this channel is about now. When I first started, I didn't have a perfect plan. I was figuring it out step by step. One of the moments I always come back to is moving states and calling barbershops within that first hour that I got here. I didn't have everything figured out, but at that moment, all I needed to do was get in the room. That's the part people skip when they talk about business. Before the clean logo, before the shop, before the systems, there's usually a period of time where you're just trying to get one shot, one opportunity to prove that you could do the work. And a lot of people watching this video right now are at that stage right now. You got the skill, but the business side is still messy. And if you don't fix that right now, your talent alone will not carry you to the stage that you want to get to. Now, this is the biggest lesson right here. A local business does not grow just because you're good at what you do. People still need to find you, they need to trust you, and they need a smooth way to book you, call you, text you, or walk in on you. Now, most local businesses are not weak at the service point. Where they're weak is at the business side of things, the structure around the service, the Google profile, the reviews, the follow-up skills. Then the owner thinks the problem is the market or the economy. Sometimes the problem is just much simpler. The business has leaks within itself. And if you don't know where those leaks are, you just keep working harder and harder, and those leaks just keep repeating. All right, so Instagram and TikTok are cool, but when somebody needs a barber, a cleaner, a contractor, or somebody that's an expert in something, most times they go to Google first. They search, compare photos, check reviews, compare prices, look at the hours, and decide who's the best option for them at that time. If your Google presence is weak, you could be the best at what you do in your whole entire city, and you'll still get skipped by. That's why we're going to talk about the Google business profile a lot on this channel. For local businesses, it's your digital storefront. And too many people has a storefront that looks like it's closed or outdated. So what's changing? T Cut Me is still T Cut Me. The barbering, the services, the products, all that's still going to stay the same. But the bigger mission now is local business education. This channel is for local service business owners who need practical fixes. Barbers, cleaners, contractors, mobile detailers, shop owners, painters, people with real customers, real bills, and real overhead. Now, I'm not trying to be a guru. Y'all know me. I'm not here trying to make business look easy either. I'm here to break down what I actually learned by actually building, fixing, pivoting, and adjusting in real time with money on the line. Going forward, we're going to cover Google business profile, how to get found, how to look more trustworthy, how to get more calls. We're going to go over customers and reviews, how to get more of the right people in your business, how to get them to trust you before they ever even visit you. We're going to go over systems as well. Because if you don't have systems and every single thing in your business relies on you touching it, then you own a job with more stress. And we're going to cover mistakes. We're going to go over the things that I wish I did better or the things I wish I learned earlier. All right, so I put together a free local customer checklist. What this checklist will do is help you look at your business and ask these questions. Can people find me? Is my Google profile helping or hurting? Are customers slipping through the cracks? Most business owners don't need a new random idea. They need to know what to fix and how to fix it. And this checklist is that first step. Click the link in the description. So I know what it feels like to be building something and you're still figuring it out as you're building it. You're good at the work, but your business side still needs help. Having to learn marketing, operations, systems, content, all while still trying to make money. That's the real world for local business owners. And that's exactly what this channel is built for. If you're building a local service business, you need more customers, a better online presence, system, then this channel is for you. So subscribe for practical local business fixes. No guru talk over here. So my next video is going to come out in a week from now. It's going to be the 7 settings I changed in Google in order to get my phone to start ringing. That one is next, dropping soon. Do not mix it.